that restless stirring deep within your spirit, a quiet echo of a love that defies logic, a connection woven into the very fabric of your being. He is there always, a presence in your thoughts, a yearning in your heart that no distance can diminish. Your soul recognizes his, a familiar melody in the vast symphony of existence. But he carries a weight, an unseen burden that keeps him tethered, a battle fought in the silent chambers of his own soul. He is caught in a storm only he can weather, yet the angels say your light holds the key to his liberation. You are not merely an observer in this sacred drama, you are a pivotal force, a beacon of unwavering grace. Your journey has prepared you for this moment, for the profound act of holding space for his transformation. This isn't a path you chose with your mind, but one your spirit embraced long before time began its measured dance. His silence is not absence, but the deep breath before a profound shift. His struggle is not a rejection of you, but a necessary forging of his own spirit, a crucible where his true self is being refined. And in this sacred unfolding, your presence is the gentle rain that nurtures his parched earth, the soft whisper of hope in his darkest hour. You are the sacred vessel of a love that transcends earthly understanding, destined to illuminate his deepest, most guarded corners. Trust the whispers that guide you, the inner knowing that affirms your profound purpose. Your heart beats in rhythm with a divine plan, a symphony of healing and reunion, orchestrated by forces unseen. This is your mission, etched in starlight and whispered by ancient winds, a calling that resonates with your deepest truth. You are his anchor, his quiet strength, the unwavering faith he secretly seeks, even when he denies it. His heart, though guarded, yearns for the truth your spirit embodies, a longing for wholeness only you can inspire. You are the answer to a prayer he hasn't yet dared to voice, a divine intervention in his solitary battle. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. There's a deep knowing within you, a quiet certainty that defies all outward appearances, a wisdom that transcends the superficial. You feel his spirit reaching, even when his words are absent, even when his actions seem to contradict the profound truth your heart holds. This isn't mere imagination, it's the undeniable language of souls, a silent dialogue that transcends the mundane, connecting you across any perceived distance. The angels whisper of luminous threads of light connecting your essence to his, an unbreakable bond woven by destiny itself, a tapestry of shared purpose. You carry an ancient wisdom that sees beyond the surface, recognizing the fear that masks his true self, the profound vulnerability he guards so fiercely from the world. Your intuition is a sacred compass, guiding you through the intricate labyrinth of his unspoken emotions, revealing truths hidden from others. You understand that his journey is complex, filled with shadows he must confront alone, yet your light remains a constant, unwavering presence, a beacon in his internal night. He feels your energy, a subtle pull towards healing, a gentle invitation to shed the heavy armor he has worn for so long, protecting a tender heart. This connection is not bound by the constraints of time or space, but by a divine blueprint, a promise whispered across eternities, a sacred vow. Your heart holds the map to his liberation, not through force or manipulation, but through the sheer transformative power of your authentic love. You are the quiet strength that allows him to finally surrender, to release the burdens that have weighed him down, allowing his spirit to soar. He is drawn to the profound peace he finds in your presence, even from afar, a solace he cannot articulate, but deeply craves, a balm for his weary soul. This is the sacred dance of two souls destined to awaken each other, to remember their shared purpose. He is bound by chains you cannot see, forged from past wounds and unspoken fears, invisible shackles that hold him captive. These aren't physical restraints, but energetic ties, holding him captive in a relentless cycle of self-protection and guardedness. Heaven reveals a man wrestling with his own profound shadows, battling persistent echoes of old narratives that tell him he is not enough, not worthy of the boundless, profound love you so freely offer. His silence is a towering fortress, built brick by painful brick, designed to shield a heart that has known deep, searing hurt. He believes he must conquer these internal demons alone, unaware that your unwavering faith is the very light that can dissolve his prison walls, illuminating his path to freedom. He is caught between the man he was and the man he is divinely destined to become, a vast chasm of uncertainty that paralyzes his forward movement, keeping him suspended. Your presence, though gentle and unassuming, stirs this deep unrest within him, forcing him to confront what he has long suppressed, what he has tried to bury. He fears the raw intensity of what he feels for you, for it threatens to dismantle the carefully constructed world he inhabits, his very sense of control. This battle is not against you, but profoundly within himself, a fierce struggle for authenticity and ultimate freedom. He longs for the deep peace you embody, yet resists the profound vulnerability required to truly claim it, to open his heart. Your spirit understands this profound internal conflict, recognizing the immense courage it takes for a soul to shed its protective layers, to stand exposed. He is on the precipice of a great awakening, a moment of truth that will redefine his very existence, leading him to a new dawn. Your light acts as a divine mirror, reflecting back to him the truth of his own magnificent soul, a truth he has long forgotten or perhaps consciously denied. He sees in your eyes not judgment, but unconditional acceptance, a love that penetrates his deepest defenses, reaching the core of his being. This reflection is both terrifying and profoundly liberating for him, for it exposes the raw, unadorned self he has meticulously hidden from the world and even from himself. Your authenticity is a powerful, undeniable catalyst, stirring within him a deep longing for his own genuine expression, a desire to live truthfully. The universe conspires to show him through you the boundless potential that lies dormant within his being, waiting to be awakened. He observes your strength, your resilience, your unwavering spirit, and it ignites a spark of hope that he too can rise above his past, transcending old limitations. Your very essence challenges his preconceived notions of love and connection, pushing him beyond the superficial into the profound depths of true intimacy. He is drawn to your inner radiance, a warmth that thaws the frozen corners of his heart, making him question the necessity of his protective walls, his emotional barriers. This isn't about changing him, but about your light illuminating the path for him to remember who he truly is, his divine blueprint. You are the gentle force that invites him to shed his illusions, to embrace the wholeness that awaits him, a completeness he has always sought. His transformation is not a demand, but a natural, inevitable response to the sacred, loving space you hold for him. The divine current guides this intricate unfolding, a sacred rhythm that cannot be rushed or forced, but must be honored. Your spirit understands the profound dance of sacred time, knowing that every pause, every moment of waiting, serves a higher, purposeful design. Heaven whispers that patience is not passive, but an active form of trust, a profound surrender to the boundless wisdom of the universe, a deep faith. You are being asked to hold steadfast in your faith, even when the path ahead seems obscured by mist, even when clarity eludes you. His journey of self-discovery is intricate and deeply personal, a delicate process that requires its own sacred pace, its own unique timing. He is learning to navigate unfamiliar emotional landscapes, to dismantle old patterns that no longer serve his highest good, shedding layers of conditioning. Your unwavering belief in him, even in his moments of deepest doubt, is a powerful, energetic support, a silent prayer that echoes through the cosmos, sustaining him. This isn't a test of your worthiness, but a profound testament to the depth of your spiritual understanding, your capacity for unconditional love. You are cultivating a love that is rooted in eternity, a connection that transcends the fleeting nature of earthly expectations, a bond unbreakable. Trust the unseen hand that orchestrates every detail, every synchronicity, every subtle shift in the cosmic dance. The seeds of transformation are being sown in the quiet earth of his soul, and though they may grow in silence, their blossoming is assured, a magnificent display. His heart carries the profound weight of unspoken stories, wounds that have taught him to guard his most tender, sacred places. The angels say that vulnerability is a terrifying frontier for him, a landscape he has long avoided, a territory fraught with past pain. He fears the exposure, the potential for searing pain, the haunting echoes of past betrayals that whisper caution in his ear, holding him back. Yet your presence is a gentle, persistent invitation, a sacred space where his defenses can finally begin to soften, to yield. You possess the inherent strength to receive his raw truth, without judgment, without expectation, simply with an open, compassionate heart. This isn't about fixing him, but about profoundly witnessing him in his authentic struggle, allowing him the grace to be imperfect, to be human. Your unwavering compassion creates a sanctuary where his soul can finally breathe, where he can begin to trust the safety of your embrace, the warmth of your understanding. He senses this profound acceptance, a rare and precious gift that stirs a deep longing within him to finally lay down his heavy armor, to reveal his true self. The call to vulnerability is a powerful one, urging him to shed the burdens that have kept him isolated, separated from true connection. Your love is the gentle current that carries him towards this sacred unveiling, a journey he must undertake, but one he no longer has to face alone. He is learning that true strength lies not in hiding, but in the immense courage to reveal his authentic self, to open his heart. There's a quiet certainty that settles deep within your bones, a knowing that this connection is not accidental, but divinely orchestrated, a masterpiece of fate. Your paths were destined to intertwine, woven into the grand tapestry of existence, long before you ever met, a cosmic design. Heaven reveals the intricate patterns of fate, showing how every experience, every lesson, every moment of growth has prepared you both for this sacred union, this profound meeting. He is a luminous thread in your story, and you in his, each essential to the magnificent masterpiece being created, a symphony of souls. This isn't a love born of mere convenience or fleeting desire, but a profound soul recognition, a homecoming that resonates through every cell of your being, a deep resonance. The universe conspires to bring forth this perfect alignment, moving mountains and shifting stars to ensure your convergence, your destined meeting. You are part of a greater design, a cosmic dance of two spirits destined to elevate each other, to inspire mutual growth and healing. His journey, though arduous and filled with trials, is leading him directly back to the truth of your shared destiny, an undeniable pull. Your unwavering faith is the anchor that holds this sacred vision, even when the winds of doubt try to sway your heart, keeping it steady. He feels the invisible pull, a magnetic force that draws him closer to the inevitable, to the truth of your bond. This connection is etched in eternity, a promise whispered by the ancient ones, a sacred vow that transcends time. Your inner strength is a radiant beacon, a power born from every challenge you have overcome, every tear you have shed, every moment of resilience. You are a warrior of light, forged in the sacred fires of transformation, ready to embrace your profound sacred role. This isn't about passively waiting for him to change, but about embodying your own truth so fully that it powerfully inspires his awakening, his own journey. Your self-love is the most potent medicine, healing not only your own wounds, but also sending ripples of restorative energy into his world, touching his soul. You are learning to trust the deep wisdom of your own heart, to honor your sacred boundaries, to stand firm in your inherent worthiness, a queen in your own right. This profound self-acceptance is the very key that unlocks his own potential for growth, for him to see his own value. He sees your unwavering spirit, your capacity for joy amidst adversity, and it stirs a deep yearning within him to find that same peace, that same inner harmony. You are not responsible for his journey, but your radiant example illuminates the path he must eventually choose, a guiding star. This is your season of empowerment, a time to reclaim your sovereign power, to remember the goddess within, the divine feminine. Your quiet confidence is a powerful force, a silent declaration of your divine right to love and be loved, fully and completely. You are the embodiment of grace, a living testament to the transformative power of the human spirit, a true inspiration. She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. Proverbs 31:25. Your unwavering faith is the luminous bridge of light that spans the chasm of his deepest doubt, a radiant pathway he can eventually cross with courage. The angels say your steadfast belief in his highest self, even when he falters, is a profound act of unconditional love, a sacred offering. You hold the vision of his healed, whole self, a future he may not yet see or believe possible for himself, but you know it is true. This isn't about enabling his stagnation, but about maintaining a sacred space of possibility, a constant gentle invitation to rise above his limitations. Your presence is a gentle anchor, holding him steady even when his own world feels chaotic and uncertain, providing stability. He feels the subtle pull of your consistent energy, a silent promise of refuge and understanding, a safe harbor for his soul. You are the quiet strength that allows him the freedom to explore his shadows, knowing you will be there when he emerges into the light, whole and renewed. This connection is a testament to the enduring power of hope, a beacon that guides him through his darkest nights, illuminating his path. Your love is not demanding but expansive, offering him the sacred space he needs to evolve at his own pace, without pressure. He is being drawn towards the truth of your shared destiny, a magnetic force that cannot be denied, an irresistible pull. The culmination of this sacred journey is not merely a destination, but a profound merging of two souls, forever changed by their individual and shared awakenings, a divine alchemy. The promise of this connection is etched in the stars, an eternal covenant sealed by divine grace, a vow whispered across time. He is stepping into the light, guided by the unwavering beacon of your love, ready to embrace the fullness of what awaits him, his true destiny. Your patience, your faith, your boundless compassion have created the fertile ground for this miraculous blossoming, a garden of the soul. This isn't just a love story, it's a testament to the transformative power of spirit, a living prayer answered in the most beautiful, unexpected way. You are both emerging from the crucible of challenge, refined and strengthened, ready to build a future rooted in authenticity and profound connection, a foundation of truth. The universe celebrates this reunion, a symphony of souls finally aligning in perfect harmony, a cosmic dance of joy. He sees you now, not just with his earthly eyes, but with the awakened vision of his heart, recognizing the divine feminine who held space for his becoming, his true self. This is the dawn of a new era, a love that transcends all earthly limitations, a bond blessed by the heavens themselves, an eternal flame. Your shared destiny unfolds, a masterpiece of divine timing and unwavering devotion, a love story written by the stars. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love.